Hi, today I'm making a chicken bacon ranch tortilla wrap. And I started out by cutting up some chicken and frying that. I just cut a chicken breast into some strips. And then I cut some bacon up and I fried that and set that aside. And here I have a tortilla wrap that I'm folding two ways, as you can see there. And then I'll take the kitchen shears and cut in the middle of one half. That probably doesn't make any sense, but you can see it. And then I'll start by putting ranch dressing on all the quarters. I probably could have put a little more, but you just use your judgment however much you like, more or less. And then on the first quarter, I'm going to put some tomato slices. And then I'll put cheese on the second. Whatever cheese you like. I'm using provolone, so whatever you have on hand is fine. And then on the third quarter, I am putting bacon. And on the fourth, I'll be putting the chicken. And the reason I'm layering it like this is because once it's all folded up, the bacon will be on the bottom and the chicken on the top, or vice versa. But the meats will be on the outside where they will warm when we grill this. And then the cheese will melt in the middle. So I've got a pan heated up on medium-low, and I'm just going to put that on there pretty much like you would a grilled cheese. I covered mine just to make sure it warmed thoroughly a little more, but you don't have to do that. So just check it. Takes a few minutes. When it's brown on both sides, then you can just plate it up. I did forget to mention that I seasoned my chicken with garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. Just use whatever seasonings you want as you're frying it. And so here we have the grilled chicken bacon ranch tortilla wrap. Just a little different. Give it a try and enjoy. And thanks for watching.